Commercial architecture and religion. The influence of religion on architecture is not limited to religious buildings such as churches and mosques only. Commercial buildings, including residential units and government buildings, are influenced also by religion. Religion becomes an inspiration for many architectural designs. And although each religion has a different influence in architecture, we can see each of its influences on color, patterns, symbols, and shapes of the buildings. We can also see its influence through paintings on the roofs, windows, and broad ceilings. On the other hand, through architecture, one can visualize his or her faith, explain spiritual and intellectual truth, and state the beauty of religion. Architecture also reminds people of their faith, including an overview of its history and how it evolves. It converts through a religious medium, and through this, beliefs, traditions, and values were strengthened. Furthermore, architecture concretizes religion. It helps religion to be permanent or stay for a long time. Lastly, artists represent religion through their art, and in this way attract people's minds and give the ideality spirit of their work. Here are some examples. Commercial architecture and technology. Our society is constantly changing, and in this change arises the advancement of technologies. Art, including commercial architecture, kept up to these changes. This progress includes innovations and inventions of new materials of construction, new methods or processes, new conception, factors, design principles, and many more. With the use of technology, it allows for more creative designs and expressions like VR and 3D printing. In the architecture industry, buildings can now have sensors to measure things such as energy usage, temperature trends, foot traffic, and more. Technology also helps to preserve architecture that have some significant value to the society. Through technology, artists easily communicate their vision. It also helps minimize costs and create smarter buildings. Without technology, architecture will not be developed as today. Architecture, on the other hand, has an indirect influence on technology. Though architecture one can determine the development of a country, including its progress in terms of technology. Smarter and modern buildings in a city implies progress in technology. Also, ideas created through architecture can help the progress of technology in society. Moreover, buildings we see in our society gives an overview of the timeline of the development of technology in a society. Here are some examples.